Thank you so much for tuning in, Mr. Mitsubishi. In today's video, we're gonna check out this fantastic looking vehicle, top of the line GT Premium Sterling Silver with black roof option. So this one is top of the line here in Canada, GT-P trim level, and has all the options: massage seats, head-up display, heated steering wheel, rain sensing wipers, has everything. Visually stunning looking vehicle, especially with this black roof option. Looks absolutely like $1 million. And also we added nice accessory. It's a side molding. So these side moldings you can order yourself at mrmitsubishi.ca. I ship to Canada, US, everywhere, and we have lots of do-it-yourself install videos on my channel, so you can just check them out and install something like this yourself. Really complements the overall look on the vehicle, especially you get that contrast silver and you have this black, and then you have these blue PHEV letters, and together with tinted windows, the black roof option looks absolutely great. Nice two-tone polished aluminum wheels, so these wheels stand out as well. So I really like the design of these alloy wheels. They fit the Outlander very well, and if we opt in for this particular color scheme, enhances look even more, because the two-tone polished aluminum goes really good with silver color, and then we have the black elements goes well together with everything that is black on the vehicle. Now this one here, sterling silver, excellent news for people who want fully loaded and then save some money. So sterling silver is a free color from Mitsubishi. You don't pay anything extra. On other colors, like we have a red one right here or white, you pay extra. So we also have some other colors there parked, so you pay extra for those colors, but for the sterling silver you pay nothing. So that's also a very good thing to have. Outlander hood emblem, we installed this as well here in our dealership. So same thing, mrmitsubishi.ca. You can order these. I'll ship it to US, Canada, ship them to Australia, Puerto Rico, basically anywhere where they sell these Outlanders. Front design, really nice, because this is a GT. We have these corner effects right here, body colored painted. So on lower trim levels, these side skirts and corner effects, they're plastic, and then it sort of changes a little bit how overall design looks. But on the fully loaded GT-P like this, body color painted, this one is like that, silver from the factory, and then together with dynamic shield chrome and these cross lines on the front of the hood, it just looks really cool. It blends in nicely, no element jumping out too much, and then this chrome just brings everything to life. So we can see this grille right here is nice and glossy, so that gives you this high-end and luxury feel for the vehicle. As we move the side, we can see again, right? So here bottom side skirt is body color painted, and these corners as well, body side color painted. And here chrome elements around the windows right here, together with these roof rails, and also on the side molding we have this chrome line. It just stands out enough, blends in enough. It has just that perfect balance. Of course, being the PHEV, we do have the plug-in hybrid EV decal right here. That is also a fantastic thing, and a badge of honor of some sorts. Black roof really stands out on the silver as well, and we have the black spoiler, and it's all like nice and glossy black. Same thing right here. So really all elements that you look at the vehicle, it just stands out as a nice high-end finish on the vehicle. So bottom part, same thing here. So this is silver painted like this from factory on all GTs, no matter what color you're gonna go. But with the silver, it just blends in together, and with the tail lights, again, it just stands out with factory tinted windows and everything else. While we're outside, just want to show you one of my favorite options, kick motion tailgate. So you do the kick motion and the tailgate opens up. You can close it the same way. Absolutely love this option. It's so convenient for your daily use of the vehicle. Really cool. Okay, not gonna spend today too much time on the trunk. I've done that in many other videos. I'll keep on covering like how to utilize the trunk space, but today let's kick it again. And there you go, it closes. By the way, notice how fast it closes. I've done these comparison tests on my channel as well with Toyota RAV4, and Toyota RAV4 almost seemed half the speed. It was almost annoying how slowly the tailgate went down. Outlander goes down really fast, so you don't even notice that it's kind of like, you know, starting to bother you. So as we open the door, we can see we have nice premium interior. So the GT-P, so the premium will stand for this different color selection, and of course you get the massage seats as well. Very cool thing to have. I highly recommend, if you are thinking about different trim levels on the PHEV, to get the massage seats is definitely way to go. If you have a budget for that, just do it. Seats look really good. I really like this orange stitching. They look you know, cushiony and nice and comfy, and they're really comfy for longer drives as well. And design wise, I like how Mitsubishi kept like this orange, let's open up the entire vehicle, these inserts throughout the vehicle. Even the second row, we have it right here. We have the stitching, and we have same action going on the seats right here. These seats, by the way, you can recline them like this, and then you can shift forth and backwards the entire seat. So we have 60-40 split. We have also heated seats in the back, and for the summertime, or if you need more privacy, we have these privacy shields right here on both doors, the passenger side. So let's check out what else we have going on here. We have nice LED light strip. You'll notice that as it gets dark and you drive somewhere, you'll see it. We have the memory positions 2 and 2 for the passenger as well. A lot of people appreciate that. The big thing is the massage seat. I absolutely love that function. I use it all the time. Jump in the vehicle, just start it, and off you go. So if you want to activate it, you just press this button, and then you have let's put later. So let's press the button right here again, and then we can hit this adjust button, and that brings us to the screen. So that's the fastest way how you can get it. And then you can switch through lumbar, relaxing, refreshing, and you can change your intensity and speed. So everything you can change on the driver and passenger. And that's how you turn them on and off. So super nice and easy. With that button, you can pull it up, everything that you need. Of course, this one has 360 camera. So let's try that. So there we go. We put it in the reverse, and we have 360. It also, because it's a GT-P top of the line, has the front camera. Let's try pull up closer to that Corvette right here. This might be an expensive video if I bump into it. Okay, I won't. So we have the Corvette right here. We have the 360 camera. We have the sensors going on, and we know we're good, we safe. So let's back it away. Okay, there we go. We're in a safe distance from Corvette again. Now we can see what else is going on. Heated steering wheel, another one of my all-time favorites when it comes to Outlander. There's just those few options that are super important for me personally, and heated steering all around the steering wheel is very important for me, and I absolutely love it. This one also has the MyPilot system. I'm gonna link that video also in the description, so you can click it and check it, or go to my channel. I've done a full test on how the MyPilot works. It's really good. So keeps you in a lane, centered, and follows the vehicle right, kind of like, you know, you can follow the vehicle, set the distance. Really good. I highly recommend you watch that video. You check the description of this video. I'll link that video, or just check my channel. Okay, let's check out this LCD screen. So I always go on enhanced look and change meter view. There we go. Now we have all these views, and then we can see all the information. I really like how we have these graphics here of the Outlander added to the screen, or this one here where we see the energy flow. It's this one right here. Oops, I skipped it. So that will be, yeah, this one right here. So energy flow shows you what's the state of the battery charge, like what's happening currently with the charge. Even if you press the brake pedal, like it'll light up like this. So quite nice. I'm always a big fan of this graphic right here. Then we have this dial right here. You can change these all modes on the drive. You don't have to like stop and then turn the next one, so you can flip it over like this, and that's okay. And as you do it, you see you have different driving selections happening: power, eco, normal, tarmac, gravel, snow, mud. All of that action is going on right here. It always defaults back to normal, so whenever you have different mode, you turn off the vehicle, start it again, it'll be on the normal. So I wish there would be a way how to set it permanently on your chosen driving mode, but there's not. So these buttons, again, exclusive to PHEV. So EV is the EV selection right here, and the other one is one pedal, where the gas pedal sort of acts as a gas and brake if you release it. So one more impressive thing that this Outlander has is the panoramic sunroof. And look how big that thing is. So we have the shade that going on, so you have to press it twice. First it goes here and the second goes all the way there. And look how big it is. It gives you so much of light, of additional light, that it's super important in in the winter time, or if it's summertime but you have cloudy day, like just to get that extra light. I opened it up, and it's a noticeable difference on how much extra light do I have in the vehicle right now. So very good thing to have. Okay, of course this one has Bose upgraded sound system and head-up display. We can see it right here. Okay, let's zoom in. Where do we see it? Let's try to see it. Okay, there we go, right here. So we have 0 kilometers right now because we're standing, and this vehicle has TomTom navigation. And with TomTom navigation, if you hook it up with your screen, it'll show you directions where to go, lanes, and it'll show the street names as well. You can pick that up, street signs. So very smart system, picks up all kinds of information, and you have that with this Outlander GT Premium Silver with black roof. So this is truly, I think, one of the best specs that you can have on the Outlander PHEV. First of all, you have it fully loaded interior with massage seats and everything else, and exterior, it's a free color. Mitsubishi does not charge anything else extra for this silver color, and you can do some accessories, hood emblem, side moldings, and it'll just enhance the overall looks on the vehicle. Really big fan of this color. Leave a comment if you also like it or not. So thank you so much for checking out this Outlander today, and see you next time around.